I'm Jeremy Spann with the Spann Group at Briggs Freeman Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of 6501 Spyglass Hill Court. Below, please drop your comments, questions, and we'll answer anything we can throughout this tour. This is a Shaw Knight build done in 2005. You sit here with one of the best views of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course on the 18th hole. You can see that from the house, you've got great views, great landscaping, and no detail has been missed with this house. Come on inside. Join us for a tour. At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, this house has every amenity you could think of. As you enter, you've got this great chandelier, which also has a mechanical device that lowers it for easy cleaning. This 6-bedroom, 7.5 bath, 4-car garage has everything you need for a post-COVID-19 world. If you had to quarantine again, this house has every amenity. From the easy to maintain granite flooring, you come in through the front door and immediately you have your office over to the right. Look at that beautiful cherry wood throughout it. There's plenty of space even in the closet that you could even put a safe or any other number of things. Directly across from the office is the dining room. The dining room is also joined with a full bar. The full bar has everything you need, from wine fridge, ice maker, dishwasher, and sink, and wine rack. Perfect for entertaining guests. In the formal living room, you have sweeping views of the 18th hole of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course. That's another great feature of this house, is almost every room has a view. With 6,852 square feet, there hasn't been a single thing missed in this house. It's also equipped with a gas fireplace. Fireplace is operated by a switch for easy turning on and off. Next to the formal living room is a half bath, powder bath, for guests to use. You also have a closet for hanging coats. You enter the owner's retreat off of the formal living with solid core doors, crown molding, fireplace that's gas operated with a switch to tray ceilings. You have plenty of space for a king-size bed and a seating area that gives you that views of the 18th hole of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course. The blinds are operated by a remote, and you also have a view of the swimming pool from the owner's retreat. Another great feature to this owner's retreat is the enormous closet. The closet is about the size of a bedroom itself, with plenty of cabinets, storage, and even places to put all those shoes. Private commode area to include a bidet, and then the master bath. Master bath has a jacuzzi tub, dual basin sink, and the stand-up shower has a steam room feature as well. Additionally, you have a door that goes into the backyard and patio area that gives you those continued sweeping views of the 18th hole of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course. At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, When you transition from the formal living and entry to the other side of the house, towards the kitchen and second living, you notice that the barrel ceiling has painted like a sky. Really gives you that transition feature. This house, built by Sean Knight in 2005, has also had all the maintenance done by Sean Knight. There's no detail in here that hasn't been taken care of. In a post-COVID-19 world where if you had to quarantine again, you could literally never leave. From plenty of cabinets in the kitchen, walk-in pantry, sub-zero fridge, Viking appliances, trash compactor, 2 sinks, 2 dishwashers, 2 microwaves, heating drawer, and a 6-burner commercial oven and stovetop with those favorite sweeping views of the 18th hole of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course. With this open space floor plan, you've got a breakfast nook that has those continued great views of the golf course. There's not a bad view from any of the windows in this house. Down below is the pool. Also, there's a little seating area where you can watch from outside that sunset and beautiful views. In this other living space is another gas-operated fireplace. Transitioning from the second living and kitchen area is out here into the hallway, which is the utility room. The utility room is equipped with a sink, full washer and dryer, drip dry area. You also have another exit point towards the front of the house. Additionally, in this space, you have a guest bath. This full bath also is used for the second bedroom that is also on this floor. This bedroom has great views of that front courtyard. Vaulted ceilings. Continuing back out to the hallway, you have a 4x3 elevator. This is also the second stairwell to access both the upstairs and downstairs to go to the pool. At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, you come to the upstairs, which there's actually 4 entry points. The formal front staircase, the back staircase, the elevator that goes to all 3 floors, and an outside staircase that goes to a back patio we'll show you shortly. Sean Knight did a great job on this build, not missing a single thing. There is a dome feature, artistic dome feature that's painted copper that's directly over the entryway. From here, you've got sweeping views of that 18th hole of the golf course. Plenty of natural light. Continuing back, you have also little nooks for art pieces, and then coming into the personal fitness room. This room could be used for other things. Currently, this is what we use as the gym. Down below it, you also have another storage. Plenty of space to put other needs that you have, as well as the components that operate the house. From the storage space, immediately to the left, is a cedar closet. As you come back out towards the stairwell, we'll go into the 3rd bedroom. Each of these bedrooms are featured with their own private baths. This bedroom also has an entry point to the front balcony. From here, it has its own private bath, walk-in closet,
Coming back out towards the stairwell, there's that nook spot for putting art pieces, looking at that fantastic view. Another nook for the art piece. And the other bedroom that also shares an entry point to that balcony going outside. With views of the front courtyard area, you also have your private bath. Behind there is the closet. Continuing on to the other side of the house, you have two bonus rooms. They could be used as bedrooms, office spaces, and many other things. But like we've said before, check out those views of the 18th hole. This also gives you a great view of the clubhouse for the country club. Down below is a view of the pool. Continuing out towards the stairwell that's from the front of the house, we'll go back to the other bedrooms. This bedroom has incredible views of that 18th hole golf course. Another great feature to this is the pool that you can see from up above. Also, one of the views that you get from here is the clubhouse. Continuing on, you have a walk-in closet. Also, entry into a shared bath. This full bathroom is shared with an additional room that could be used as a bonus space, as an office, another bedroom, and that shared bath. Like many of the rooms in this house, you have that sweeping view of the 18th hole golf course. You also have a view of the pool. With a walk-in closet, you also have access to that back patio. Imagine catching those sunset views sitting right there. The last bedroom, at the end of the house, has its own private bath, as well as an entry point to that same patio we just looked at, your closet space, and great sunset views. At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, as you're transitioning back to the back side of the house in the stairwell, you have a stackable washer and dryer. You also have the elevator. Check out this incredible media room. For those hot summer Texas days, imagine sitting in here with the air conditioner down, just seeing darked out and watching movies. This house really does have every feature for a post-COVID-19 quarantined world.
At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, the garage space is enormous. Enough room for 4 cars. You have additional storage, 2 entry points to the backyard, as well as a central vacuum system that operates throughout the house. At 6501 Spyglass Hill Court, you have a little courtyard out here, the 4-car garage that's a side entry garage coming down the driveway. You've got a perfect little green spot for the pets to run around. You've got the pool with the hot tub. You've got those continued sweeping views of the 18th hole of the Mira Vista Country Club golf course. Stairwell going up to the 2nd floor, as well as the garage entry. Continuing back to the covered back patio, you've got an outdoor kitchen with a gas-operated fireplace. With the patio up to the left, you can use this for a number of different features. From here, you can enter back into the house on the bottom floor, or another garage entry as well. Come on inside, let's take a look at this. You have another living on downstairs. This is the ground floor, featured with an enormous storage space, a closet, bar with a refrigerator and a sink, as well as entry into the area for the pool and its own private bath. Continuing out, this is how you access the elevator, back stairwell, and the garage. The Mira Vista neighborhood, previously known as the Raw Ranch, has approximately 700 acres and 700 home sites ranging from 400,000 to multiple millions. The HOA dues are $550 quarterly for all home sites except for the garden homes, and they include maintenance of common areas, 1 guarded gate entrance into the community manned for 24 hours a day, security patrols in the neighborhood, CPR trained, pained, monitor alarm security officials. Common area maintenance, basketball courts, playground, sand volleyball court, open area for picnics to fly kites, unlighted walking trails, and 3 lakes, largest one stocked with a more open fill on the north end of the property that you see here. Memberships available for the country club are full golf or social, which gets you access to the clubhouse, pool, and tennis. Mira Vista Golf Course is a championship 18-hole golf course. The golf course has excellent practice facilities with practice putting greens, full-service pro shop. The clubhouse is 40,000 square foot. Unique design, fantastic view, great sunsets, offers dining, meeting rooms, separate workout areas, summer camp for kids in golf, soccer, basketball, and tennis. The tennis program has 2 indoor lighted tennis courts under air conditioning, 6 lighted outside tennis courts plus ball warm-up area, full tennis pro shop. The pool is a junior-size Olympic pool shaded by a baby pool. Food service available at the point, and childcare.